Believe it or not, Mercedes was making diesel sedans back in 1961. The 190D was a small but sturdy car, powered by a 1.9-liter four-cylinder diesel making 54 HP. Not quick by any measure, but speed wasn't the point. This was an economy Benz, focused on efficiency and bulletproof reliability. The engine delivered, with many 190Ds exceeding 500,000 miles on their original motors. The 190D's body was handsome in an understated way, with subtle chrome touches on the grille and bumpers. Large round headlights and a low stance gave it a dignified, almost stately look. Inside, it had Mercedes' trademark excellent fit and finish, with wood trim and supportive vinyl seats keeping things practical. This was a no-frills sedan, but solidly built with that famous German precision. While Spartan by modern standards, the 190D encapsulated the Mercedes driving experience. Solid engineering in an affordable package. It proved the brand could deliver exceptional reliability across all vehicle segments, cementing Mercedes' reputation for mastery. The 190D remains influential in showing that economy and luxury could coexist, and that Mercedes stood for more than just power and performance. It's a legend for its long-lasting quality versus blistering speed.